Hello everyone, this is Thursday of the 5th week of Lent. We're getting there. This reading today is a little bit complicated, but I think there's a couple of points in which we can focus. Jesus says, "Whoever keeps my word will never see death." Actually, I find that rather consoling and hopeful. If we keep his word, and that means more than hearing it, more than listening to it. It means if we live what his word teaches, we will never see death. Have a blessed day.